on my shoulders.
Hey everyone, this video is going to show you some rainy day outfit ideas for if you ever wake up and it's raining.
Take it back, 'cause you've always been a part of this serial monogamist, you know I'm getting tired.
This outfit is for when you want to be more fancy, and I like this because it incorporates the rain boots but also some style. My shirt is from H&M, my skirt is from a local boutique, my jacket is from Primark in England, and my boots are Hunter rain boots. And the jacket is also great because it has a hood for if it's actually raining.
You're leaving, and this time it's for good. I wish you would, 'cause you're always deceiving. You've broken my heart, takes me back to the start where it hurts. But this time I'll be fine.
This next outfit is just basically a classic rainy day outfit. I'm wearing a side braid and my necklace is just a monogram necklace. My shirt is the same shirt from H&M. My leggings are from Macy's. My jacket is North Face jacket, and my hat is from Polo Ralph Lauren.
Leaving you is worth the tears, 'cause I've been worried sick for years, and I feel stronger today and morning. One thing I lack is the feeling that I'm meant for someone who can accept my flaws and wrap me up inside their love. 'Cause you gave all of my faith away, but you've broken my head, yeah, you've done it again. You swear that you're...
This next outfit I'm obsessed with, and it's more casual chic, and it's for if it's like in the in-between summer and fall, or like when it's starting to get colder. My dress is from Primark, my sweater is from Brandy Melville, my socks are from Forever 21, and my boots are Steve Madden.
Yeah, this time I'll be fine. Your bed now, lay in it. It took 9 years for me to quit. You made your bed, now fucking it. The lesser of 9 years you spent. You made your...
This is something I love to wear to school when it's raining. My shirt is from Forever 21, my skirt is from H&M, and my boots are just Hunter rain boots. They're black. They used to be shiny black, but now they're more of a matte black, and I don't really know why, so.
You've done it again. You swear that you're leaving. This time it's for good. I wish you would.
So that is it for this video. I hope it inspired some of your outfits, and I'll see you all next week. Thanks for watching. Bye!
Take it back.